So how to use Quidco. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to use Quidco, how it works, and take you through the step-by-step process so you can start claiming cashback off of all your online shopping. But before we begin, if you need to sign up to Quidco, I'll leave my link below in the description, as using my referral link, you'll be eligible for a free £20 bonus, which is credited to your account as soon as you sign up. So once you have signed up, it should bring you through to this homepage right here. So feel free to have a look around, as there is honestly hundreds of retailers on here from all sorts of different categories. And you can even use the menu bar at the top to find specific ones, including retail, travel, holidays, fashion, etc. But once you've decided what you want, you'll then want to go ahead and claim your cashback. So for the example of this video, let's say you want cashback using Surfshark VPN. So you can go ahead and use the search bar here to search for what you want, which, as I said in this example, will go with Surfshark. And once you've searched it, as you can see, Surfshark is right here, and right now they're offering 71.25% cashback. So the way this works is Quidco basically has an affiliation with all these brands. So when you use their link to basically buy any products you may need, Quidco will then give you a kickback once you've made your purchase and checked out. So it's essentially just getting free money back off of your online shopping. So whenever you know you're buying something online, it's always worth coming to Quidco to have a look if they're on here. But anyway, once you're ready to make the purchase, you'll just want to go ahead and click on this blue button here that says Get Cashback. And then it will open you up to this pop-up. So just make sure you accept cookies, disable any ad blockers or VPNs, and open in a web browser. So if you understand that, you can go ahead and select I understand, visit Surfshark. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to the retailer's website, where you'll then just want to go ahead and make your purchase like normal. So in our example, we're obviously using Surfshark, so you'll just go ahead and purchase Surfshark. So click on Get Surfshark VPN, and then you'll go ahead and pick the right package for you. So it doesn't matter which retailer you're buying with, it's exactly the same process. But the one thing that is very important is you must make sure that you make the purchase for exactly the same tab that Quidco opens up for you, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cash back. So for the example of Surfshark, you just go ahead and pay for your subscription. And then once you've made your purchase, you should get an email off of Quidco, usually within 10 to 20 minutes, to confirm that your sale has been tracked and is now eligible for cashback. And then once you've received that email, you can then go ahead and sign back into your Quidco account. Click on the profile icon here. Then you should see a balance in tracked. So if you go ahead and click it, you'll then get a breakdown of all your tracked cashback and how much you're due to get back. And it is as simple as that. And next to it as well, you should also get a breakdown of when you'll be due to get your cashback. So for the example of Surfshark, that'll roughly be around the 10th of April 2026. So you can come back to this page to claim your cashback when it's ready for you. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.